Welcome to Peakish Hikers. I'm Connor.
And I'm Dana. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. Our mission is to create content to help people experience and enjoy the outdoors more confidently.
We'll be creating video trail reviews and product reviews. You can expect a new video from us every other Friday. If you like what we are doing and want to support us, please go and visit us on Patreon, where we have patron-only content as well as unique perks available for our patrons. Thanks for visiting our YouTube page. Please subscribe to follow along on our journey.